Paano ko susundan? Magpawis kayo, guys. I guess to everybody of all ages, yun nga, i-practice natin tanggalin yung stigma and let's help educate each other even kahit ano pang generational gap yan. I feel like this generation, our generation, mas open tayo sa ganito because we talk about it with each other and mas ina-acknowledge na natin yung mga mistakes from past generations, di ba? Gusto natin i-break yung cycle. We're very passionate about that, this generation. So let's keep doing that. And to other people naman, siguro matuto tayo to stop invalidating feelings, you know? Kahit hindi natin uunawaan, kahit pakiramdam natin mali siya, hindi siya aligned sa mga ano natin. Lahat ng nararamdaman ng mga tao, may pinanggagalingan yan. May pinagmulan yan. So, yun nga, let's listen, let's try to understand the best way we can. If not, you know, then seek other help. But other than that, it really starts with us. Pag-usapan natin sa mga magulang po, alam ko sa panahon dati, survival of the fittest talaga. Alam mo yun, kapag may nawala, kasi mahina siya eh, nawala siya eh. We don't need to lose any more lives, right? Hindi nakakahiya maging malungkot, hindi nakakahiya maging mahina. Dapat nandun tayo para sa isa't isa. Dapat yung mga nangihina, yung mga nalulungkot, imbis na lumayo tayo sa kanila at sabihin na mahina sila, gawin silang indifferent towards us. I-boost natin sila, di ba? Kasi we're all here for each other. Nandito tayo sa mundo, magkakasama tayo dito. And God knows there's a reason for that. Kung ano man religion natin, I just know there's a purpose why we're all here right now. And I feel like, yun, we should be there for each other. Let's help save more lives. Yun lang. No, Mio?